How to use ServiceTitan. So, for a short little explanation, ServiceTitan is a cloud-based business management platform built for home service companies like plumbing, electrical, HVAC even, but these similar trades. So to use it, you typically just start by setting up your account and onboarding your team. So you can do that by pressing on the get demo or the sign in option, or just putting in your email over here and then pressing on get started. So you should be able to do this directly in their website. So go to your preferred browser and search for ServiceTitan, and you will be able to see these options over here. But once you press and get started, it's gonna ask you for a few things first, like what is your company's main industry and how many technicians work at your company. But just go ahead and answer these questions first in order to be able to have a better experience with ServiceTitan. So with that in mind, you can just go ahead and finish all of this, and finally you can add your details. So once set up, the core workflow centers around scheduling your jobs. So with that in a visual calendar or dispatch board, assigning technicians and tracking job details. From there, you can create estimates, generate invoices, and even accept your payments, all from the office or from the mobile app in the field. So the platform also centralizes around customer information, sending automated reminders and storing service history so your office and field teams stay pretty much in sync. And beyond these basics, ServiceTitan offers reporting and analytics tools. You can take a look at lots of features they have, but they do have a subscription you have to go for though if you want most of these features. So it helps you make operational decisions though. It integrates with accounting tools like QuickBooks if you have that to streamline financial workflows, and basically it includes marketing and CRM capabilities to boost repeat business. So while many users does find it somewhat powerful for running and growing service business, there can be a learning curve and mixed feedback on support and cost, especially since they do give lots of tools. So you may be winning too much with this ServiceTitan. But anyways, exploring training resources and a demo before committing to your ServiceTitan is definitely much better. So it's much easier to go ahead into their ServiceTitan website, since everything should just be shown over here, all their tools, what they can do, and basically what they can offer to you as a user. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully the information of it can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.